Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make egg fried rice Jamaican style. Start by prepping 3 cups of day-old rice, 2 beaten eggs, chopped scallions, and minced garlic. Heat a large pan, add oil, fry garlic and scallions briefly, push to the side, scramble eggs, then add rice and soy sauce. Finish with fresh thyme and a splash of lime for brightness, stirring quickly to combine everything evenly. Gather your ingredients and keep things organized for a smooth cook. Use day-old rice because it fries without getting mushy, and have your eggs beaten and ready. Heat the pan until hot so ingredients sizzle on contact, and keep a small bowl of soy sauce nearby. Preparing everything in advance makes the actual frying fast and joyful, and keeps flavors bright and authentic to the Jamaican twist. Use a hot, roomy pan so ingredients move freely and fry evenly. Begin by frying the garlic and scallions until fragrant, then scramble eggs in the empty space before folding everything together. Add rice, a splash of soy sauce, and toss briskly so grains separate and absorb flavor. Finish with fresh thyme and a final toss, tasting for salt and brightness so the dish sings with Jamaican personality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.